What is up? It's your boy Wanra204, and today's video, guys, I just wanna say na hindi ako nakagawa ng intro kasi nga I guess I was just too excited to go fishing. And itong video na to ay kasama ko si Kuya Mike, and it might be our last, ice fishing, and yun na nga, diba? So hope you guys enjoyed the video. And before we start the video, guys, I just want to say thank you sa mga bago nating subscriber. And of course, shout out sa mga Momo friends ko dyan. Alam nyo na kung sino kayo. And of course, I just want to share some things for you guys that I use for bait. Ito, talaga nag-work to sa walleye. Pag nakakita kayo ng ganito, guys, pick up one. Mag-pick up na kayo ng isang ganito, guys, o kahit dalawa. This one goes on sale sometimes, so you can get it on Canadian Tire or maybe Walmart, I don't know. But yeah, yun, hindi ako sponsor na ito, pero I just want to give you guys some tip that I use for walleye and everything. So yeah, nag-work siya sa akin pero hindi ko pa siya natatry sa mga smallmouth or largemouth or what do you call this, pike. Alam ko na yan, pike, kumagat na to sa pike. Sa perch, kumagat na rin to sa perch. So hindi ko pa siya na-try sa mga crappie ganyan or other species, pero yun pa lang, walleye, pike, and then perch, yung palang nakakahuli na ito, guys. So pero definitely ito, pag nag-walleye kayo, ito talaga, it's good for clear water and maybe muddy, pero hindi pa ako sure. Yeah, so guys,
uy, ayan, malaki! Ayan, malaki! Ayun, huli, Tantantinin! Holy shit, ang laki! Kaya, oh!
Ang
lakas mameki no?
laki, sabi, laki.
O yan, uwi mo na yan, sayang yan.
Hindi, malito, kuya.
Mas malaki pa yung isa eh. Papalakihin pa natin ito.
Sa'yo nang gagaling, sa kabila.
Eh, kawan.
Oh, yun. Ano mo sa camera doon?
Kawan. Bye.
Sa'yo nang gagaling.
Yan, nakita ko lang eh. Gumagapang eh.
Halo, halo. Ano, wala pa tayo ano. Wala pa tayo customer ah.
Gos. Ano nangyari? Tignan mo. No. Nagbuhol.
Ano, okay na.
Okay.
Overspooled yung ano mo eh.
Ha?
Yung dami mong linya.
Ano? Leader?
Oh, hindi yung ano mo, yung mismong pinaka main line mo.
Hindi, parang nga hindi kita eh. Parang hindi niya kita na may line. Pero parang ang laki dun sa ano,
Screen.
screen. Mas maliit lang pala.
Sa'yo, Yel, sa'yo. Pucha, ano kaya to? Oh, come on. Kinagat na ako.
Mapis sa'yo, no?
Oh. Kumain na yung ano ko, bake ko. Yun! Nice! Nice, Yel! Nice! Nice, nice! That's a big one. Nice!
Sabi, pike. Maybe.
No, it's a walleye. I'm sure of it. It's a walleye. Man, it's a walleye. Sige, yaman lang siya tumakbo. Nice, Yel. Pucha, oh. Nice, nice. Nice, Yel. Nice. Woohoo! Oh, it's a pike, ah. Oh, yeah, pike.
Yes.
Teka lang, ha. Oy, oy, oy.
Shit, napatid.
Ah,
Gagi.
big one. Look. Pucha, pike pala yun.
Wow.
Oh.
Napatid pa. Mabuti nakuha mo, kuya.
Haha! Nice. Oh. Nice.
Rico. Come on. Bibig mo, bibig.
Oh.
Open your mouth.
Kaya mo?
Hindi siya na open his mouth.
Pucha, pike pala yun. Walang yeah. Oh, ha.
Ayun. Okay.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh, picture.
Aha.
Oh, dude.
It looks. Yeah.
Oh, teka. Anuhin natin. Sige, anuhin mo. Hawakan mo. Dali, hawakan mo. Yun oh. Nice.
Picture.
Size, kinuha mo ang size.
Di ba? Picture mo.
Size. Mga 20.
Tari ko.
Size. I'm assuming 26.
Ay, putik.
Yeah! Wah! 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 Ang
Yaman.
galing!
Yaman na. It is what it is.
Good job, boy.
Yaman na.
Well, it's a big one. This is a big one. No. Shucks. This is a big one. There he comes. I think the head is going out. Oh, it's a pike. Again! Damn it! Oh, ingat ah. Oh! Wow.
Hey.
Wow. Wow.
Nice.
Wow. Wow.
Nice one.
Nice.
That was fast though.
That was fast.
He was just ready to
Wait.
eat that.
Wait. Don't do your death roll, please. Yeah. Don't do your death roll. But again, please, thank you for biting. Thank you for biting. Thank you for showing up when I was about to lose faith. When I was about to lose faith.
No insect.
I was still talking. I thought it was the same thing. That,
Yeah, I thought so. I just
I thought it was the same. Wow,
fish.
I'm all pike on Lake Winnipeg. This is my second pike. Here.
Go. So like 19, 20?
Yeah. More like do on the other side. 23.
23.
23 kinker.
Hey,
Yeah.
let's go.
Okay, let's go. No one is count. Ah!
Let's go. Thanks for biting.
Saka mo ako yan.
Eh,
Okay. Ayan mo sa tapat mo sa mukha ko. Putragis ka. Okay.
yung camera.
Ayun, nagdadal sa kasi.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yung ano, video naman.
That's a good one, right?
Nice.
Nice color. Let's see. Okay, release the Kraken. Thank you for biting. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See ya.
See ya. As I was saying. Oh boy.
We got interrupted.
Got interrupted. What was I saying? I forgot.
Same, I forgot what you were saying.
If looks could kill, she'd tear your heart to pieces and eat it. No reason, got venom in her lipstick, sadistic. I'm dead.